Have you ever had the feeling when you look at the scenes through the viewfinder, hesitating whether if you should press down to the shutter? You're waiting and waiting. Deep down, you know this shot most likely is not gonna work. But if you don't press down the shutter now, it will be gone. So you took the shot. Then you come back, you look at the photo on your computer, regretting taking that photo.
Alright, we're here. We're at Chicago Airport.
When you click down on that shutter, you already know it's not a good photo, but you took it anyway. This is how I feel about a lot of the photos I took in Chicago. Hey guys, this is Sam. Welcome back to another episode of Does my creative experience and the subjective emotions affect my choice and judgment of my photos? I brought my Minolta X700 again this time with the 28 to 70 3.5 lens, aka does format matters? I have been sitting on this video for a long while now, wondering if I should put it out because I don't quite like these photos I took during a recent trip to Chicago. I love Chicago. It was my first time there, even though I was there for a very short amount of time, despite the mostly cloudy and raining days. Even though we didn't make it to the Art Institute Museum because they were closed on the day we were there, Chicago is a beautiful city with clean streets, amazing architecture, great weather. Well, at least the one afternoon when we landed and that one afternoon before we took off. Maybe because for how much I liked Chicago, I felt disappointed in myself that I didn't photograph Chicago with my full heart. This is New York all over again. This video was intended to be a Cinestill 400D review video. I already shot one roll last time I went to the Cinestill photo walk. I really liked how the color and the texture turned out, so I decided to shoot a little more and then make a video to talk about this film.
She set this at 400. Yeah, let's set it at 400.
So that's it for you. How you pass the torch.
Okay. Alright, we're all set. Let's go. Alright, we are pretty hungry right now, so we're gonna get some food first.
This is not a new film. When the film just came out, it was pretty difficult to get it, so I have been saving them for a perfect shooting situation. Anyway, I finally gave it a try a year later. I love the color, I love the halation glow, I love the warm tone and how it renders green. I like this film. I think this is the kind of film stock I will keep going back to. However, I don't like the photos. I feel like these photos are kinda lazy. I know if I waited a little longer, he would look at my way. I know if I wasn't pressured by the other customer who's waiting for a coffee order right behind me, I'd frame this better. I know if I walked a couple of more steps in, the composition would be more interesting. If only I could make up my mind on including the bike guy or not. And I like this scene, but when I pick up my photo camera, he walked away. I could have went to him and asked if I can take a picture of him. I could have, but I didn't. I didn't like these photos because I know I half-assed it. I didn't take them serious enough, and I think it shows. Because I was traveling, I picked the zoom lens, and I don't like the vignetting around the corners. Should I have stayed with a prime lens? I mean, these are not bad, but they're not good either.
Oh, look!
Am I letting my creative experience and the subjective emotions affect my judgment? Am I not liking them because they were taking on a smaller 35mm camera with a not good enough lens? Would the same scene look better if it was shot on medium format? Would I spend more time and put more effort into the photos if I was shooting with a medium format camera?
That's all good. It's getting too dark.
Is it time to say goodbye to 35mm altogether? What happened to just walk around and shoot random stuff and just enjoy that? Am I too hard on myself, or am I not pushed hard enough? Am I overthinking again?
I did not prepare for this. Looks like I'm here a little bit too late.
After coming back from Chicago, I went to a book fair with my Hasselblad and shot some portraits.
I did not know about this until like last night at like 2 a.m. in the morning.
I went there by myself. I went there mainly to take photos.
Alright, we made it the end! Can't believe we made it! So last minute.
This is a much better experience for the photographer me.
Excuse me, I really like your style. Could I take a picture of you?
Sure, yeah. Thank you.
Let's have you like stand over here. Here? Yep, that's good.
And I really like how these photos turned out. I mean, they're nothing special, nothing fancy, just really simple and straightforward portraits. And I like them.
Over here. Let's have you come back a little bit. Let's have you step just a little bit back. Yeah, there you go.
Is it because I was more focused and more intentional? Is it because I was shooting on a better camera with a better lens? Is it because it's medium format and the negatives are larger? Or is it just simply because I was shooting portraits and I just simply enjoy shooting portraits more? I don't know. Sorry for throwing all these question marks at you.
Excuse me, sir. You look. I really like your look. Can I take?
I gotta take your photo.
Sure. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
How's that?
That
Want me?
this looks great. Yeah. Sorry, I didn't ask your name.
Annie.
Penny.
Annie.
Penny. Sam, nice to meet you.
Yours.
Sam.
Jim?
Sam.
Spell it.
S-A-M.
S-E-M.
S-A-M. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
I really like how these two photos turned out.
Excuse me. I love your style. Can I take a picture of you? Sorry, what's your name?
Miranda.
Miranda. Sam, nice to meet you. Can I actually take a picture of you? Is that a phone camera as well?
Oh, it's supposedly.
Sorry, what's your name?
Oh, I'm Brave.
Brave?
Brave.
Sam, nice to meet
Sam,
you.
pleasure to
Nice to
meet
meet you. All right, 1 second. Excuse me. Can I take a photo of you guys?
Oh, yeah.
Just sitting here holding your camera. That's such a long lens. All right, 1 second. Do you mind like sit a little closer, please? Hi, excuse me. I really like your style. Can I take a photo of you?
Sure.
I think the way you're standing there listening to music looks great. Can I take a photo of you guys holding your camera? Do you mind?
Oh, yeah, 100%.
Do you mind let's you guys stand over here? Have a cleaner background. Have you like get a little closer to each other?
Like here?
Yeah, just like that.
Cameras up.
All right, give me 1 second. Level, thank you. Thank you guys for letting me take in the photo. Thank you. Have a nice day. Alright, this is it. We're done. I shot 2 rolls. I shot 1 roll of 400D, Cinestill 400D, and I shot a roll of Kodak Go 200.
If you're following my Instagram, you might saw the recent post about a 6.7 format camera I just got. I'm so excited to try it out and I can't wait to share with you guys. And yeah, this is it for this week's video. I apologize for all of the mumbo jumbos. Anyway, this is Sam. I will see you next time. Bye!